Amy, just wanted to send you a nice little video. I mean, if you didn't miss home enough, just wanted to give you a second reason to miss it more. Follow me. See, before, I always had to sit back here. And dang girl, I got no leg room. Ouch. And when I was lucky enough to sit on this side, girl, there's so much garbage, I couldn't do nothing. Now, other times I might be able to sit here. Other times. But now, I mean, I got the key. I got the ignition.
This afternoon, 0 for 2.
I got whatever I want. But you know what? You know what, Amy? The best part of it all, I've been waiting a long time for this sucker. So, from me to you, let me unveil the new car. I'm a jerk.